here's another update. The original motor that was on here broke. It just wore out finally. And it was originally a 5-horse motor to run that pump. So this is a 2-horse, and the original pulley that was on here was bigger. So we had to go buy this because this motor is running half the horsepower that it takes to turn this one. So we down-geared it, but we need a belt for it because the belt is too long, or too big, I should say, for this. But, I mean, it runs... This is actually off of a bandsaw, I think, or is it off of a... Anyway, it's running twice the RPM that it should for this compressor, so we did have to down-gear it. This is our welder outlet. And as you can see, it spins extremely fast. And that was when you hear the click. That's actually, there's a clutch in here that engages for the starter capacitor, which is right here, and the running capacitor, which is here. The original pulley, it wouldn't get up to speed, so to run this, so it would actually trip this breaker right here. So we had to down gear this, but it actually compresses just fine. Oil's great. It's got air in it. This right here gauge does work, but it's really small, so I'm actually going to take this gauge off and have a pipe that comes up to about here and put this gauge on. And I do have all these pipes and stuff for it, so that's not a problem. I actually got this compressor for free, because what originally happened inside here, there's 2 valves door valves that open and close like this. Well, the gasket in here had broke and was holding the inlet open, so I can't find a gasket for this, so I had to make it out of carburetor gasket. Well, the gasket that I used was thinner than the original, so I had to use this black goo. It's gasket sealant to seal this. It originally, with the 5-horsepower motor, it was pretty loud, but now with this, it's geared slower. It takes longer to compress, but it's a lot quieter. So that's nice. Well, that's it for this one.